There are many home remedies to get rid of freckles. One of them is green tea. Now, what's so special about green tea? Well, it turns out that green tea has several beneficial ingredients that can be used in order to get rid of freckles. And today, we're going to share with you some of the most effective homemade face masks that can help reduce their appearance. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to stay tuned for more videos like this one. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of green tea and uncover its secrets for achieving flawless skin. The first recipe we'll be sharing with you is a simple green tea face mask. This is perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to brighten their skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. This face mask is made by steeping green tea bags in warm water and then applying them directly to your face. To make this face mask, start by brewing 2 green tea bags into tablespoons of warm water. Let the tea cool down to room temperature and then remove the bags and place them on your face. Make sure to leave enough time for the mask to dry before removing it. You should do this for around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the mask has dried, gently peel it off and wash your face with lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. This will help to remove any excess tea and reveal brighter, more even-toned skin. For best results, it is recommended that you use this mask once or twice a week. However, it is important to keep in mind that everyone's skin is different and you may need to adjust the frequency based on your individual needs. Some people may find that using the mask more often can be helpful in reducing the appearance of freckles, while others may find that less frequent use is sufficient. It's all about finding the right balance. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, this face mask can also help to soothe and calm the skin. This is because green tea contains a natural compound known as epiglycogen gallate or EGCG. This compound has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation on the skin. It also has antioxidant properties that can help protect the skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation. These properties make it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin who may be looking for a gentle yet effective way to reduce the appearance of freckles. Another great thing about this face mask is that it is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a spot treatment for areas with high concentration of freckles or apply it all over your face for a more holistic approach. Additionally, you can combine this face mask with other natural remedies such as aloe vera or honey for added benefits. Now that we've covered one of the simplest methods, let's move on to a slightly more involved but equally effective recipe. This next one is a DIY green tea facial scrub. This is an excellent option for those who want to exfoliate their skin, while also reducing the appearance of freckles. This scrub is made by combining green tea powder with sugar and lemon juice, and then gently massaging it onto your face. To make this scrub, mix together 1 tablespoon of green tea powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure that the mixture is smooth and free of any lumps. Once the scrub is ready, apply it to your face and massage it in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. Be gentle and avoid scrubbing too hard as this could cause irritation or damage to your skin. After scrubbing, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. You should use this scrub once or twice a week depending on your skin type and the severity of your freckles. In addition to its ability to reduce freckles, this facial scrub also provides several other benefits. The sugar in the scrub acts as a gentle exfoliant, which means it can help remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin underneath. This can help improve the overall texture and tone of your complexion, leaving it looking more radiant and youthful. The lemon juice in the scrub is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. This can help protect the skin from environmental stressors and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. Additionally, the combination of green tea and lemon juice can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. When choosing a scrub, it's essential to find one that suits your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, look for a scrub that is labeled as being gentle or suitable for sensitive skin. You may also want to avoid scrubs that contain harsh chemicals or abrasive particles, as these can cause irritation or damage to your skin. It's also important to use a sunscreen when using a scrub, as scrubbing can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. And now we come to our final recipe, a green tea and yogurt face pack. This is a great option for those looking for a more hydrating and nourishing approach to reducing freckles. This pack is made by combining green tea with yogurt and then applying it as a mask. To make this pack, brew 1 green tea bag in 1 tablespoon of warm water. Allow the tea to cool down completely and then combine it with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Make sure that the mixture is smooth and free of any lumps. Apply the pack to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. While the pack is on your face, relax and enjoy the soothing and nourishing sensation. After 20 minutes, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. For best results, it's recommended to use this pack once or twice a week. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin underneath. This can help improve the overall texture and tone of your complexion, leaving it looking more radiant and youthful. Additionally, the lactic acid in yogurt can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of freckles. The combination of green tea and yogurt can help soothe and calm the skin, while also providing a boost of antioxidants and nutrients. This can help protect the skin from environmental stress and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. When choosing a yogurt, it's important to select one that is plain and unsweetened. This is because the added sugar and artificial flavors in flavored yogurts can cause irritation or allergic reactions on the skin. Look for a yogurt that is made with live and active cultures, as these will provide the most beneficial probiotic and enzymatic activity. It is also important to test a small amount of yogurt on your skin before applying it as a face pack, to ensure that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. So there you have it, 3 amazing ways to use green tea to get rid of freckles. Remember that consistency is key when trying to reduce the appearance of freckles. It may take some time to see results, but with regular use of these face masks, you can achieve a brighter, more even-toned complexion. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with using green tea to reduce freckles. So please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. But wait, there's more. If you want to learn about some additional tips and tricks to get rid of freckles, click here to watch our video on how to reduce the appearance of freckles. In this video, we'll share with you some valuable insights and techniques that can complement the use of green tea and help you achieve even better results. So don't miss out. Click here to watch now. And if you're interested in exploring other natural remedies for skincare, click here to access our playlist on 10 powerful homemade face masks. You'll discover a wide range of effective and easy-to-make face masks using natural ingredients that can help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. Start taking care of yourself today and unlock the secret to beautiful skin with nature.